Hey guys, I wanted to shoot a quick video showing you the difference between cleaning up a BMW floor with heat instead of dry ice. Lots of people think that dry ice works better. Here at High Speed Motorsports, we actually use heat. The dry ice, the concept behind it is to put it on the sound deadening, get it cold, basically frozen, and then hit it so it shatters. What ends up happening though is, if you look at the floor, you have these dents in the floor. It's from trying to essentially break it as if it was a piece of glass, the dry ice. So you end up with lots of these little dents all over the place. It's not really the best way to do things, as you want this car to be painted afterwards and have a nice smooth finish, and instead you end up with something that looks like the surface of a golf ball. So I'm going to show you how to do it with heat. It's the way we do it. It's actually really easy, really simple, and maybe this will stop people from trying to do the dry ice thing. Over here, we cleaned the section already using heat, the way we always do. Afterwards, you can clean it up with either gasoline or brake parts cleaner. Even diesel works very well. Just on a Scotch-Brite pad, rub it a little bit, wipe it off with a cloth, and the floor comes up pretty clean. I'll do a section for you real quickly so you can see what it's like, all right? All right, so now I'm going to show you how easy it is. We're going to use a standard torch. You can use a yellow tank, blue tank. Really doesn't matter. Either one does a good job. We're going to use standard scrapers, just like these. I'll do it very quickly and show you how easily this can be removed without dry ice, without leaving a mess behind, no dents in the floor, actually having a very nice finish afterwards with just a little bit of cleanup, all right? So basically what you want to do is you want to heat the surface of the sound deadening just a little bit so that you can scrape it up. It comes up very easily. I'll show you. Start in the corner. Essentially, you want to just get the surface a little bit hot, and then it comes up. Just that easy. No banging on the floor, no nothing, and you end up slicing it like meat, basically, except it comes off really quick. It's that easy. Now, one of the keys is to not overheat the sound deadening. If you overheat it, it turns more like a liquid and leaves a mess behind. Basically, in this case, you want to just get the surface warm enough that you can essentially get behind it and skim it off, you know, cut it off in layers. You'll see, like, if you overheat it, it turns to a liquid. You heat it just the right amount and it comes off in, like, you know, basically slices. So a little bit of playing around, you'll figure out exactly how long you need to heat it up. And it's, as you see, it's not very long and it can be done pretty quickly. The interior of a BMW for us can be done in, I don't know, a couple of hours, 2 to 3 hours. The dry ice thing, like I said, it works on Japanese cars more so than German cars. I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's the way that they make the sound deadening. It's a different material. But Japanese cars work a lot better where you freeze it, crack it, it comes up in big pieces. BMWs, Volkswagens, Audis have a tendency to use a better material or a different material. Doesn't work very well without you taking a hammer to it and damaging the floor. So hopefully this video helps everybody, and good luck building race cars. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to clean up the rest of the remnants of this. It's pretty easy. All you got to do, put a little gasoline in the Scotch-Brite pad, Let it soak in a little bit. As you can see, just from wiping, it cleans up really, really well. Not the nightmare that everyone makes it out to be. Take a rag afterwards, quick wipe, and then you have a perfect floor, no dents, no dings, ready for paint. Good looking race car when you're done.